Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an unboxing and I cannot believe it. I mean, I didn't expect that I will be able to get hands on this Louis Vuitton Game On collection. I mean, I tried to pre-order it, but I was told that they don't accept pre-order in this collection. I reached out to my sales associate. They told me that it's very limited. They could not guarantee or anything. So in my previous video, I did my top 5 favorite in this collection. So Kirigami is my #1 pick. Surprisingly, my sales associate texted me today and she said that I have your Kirigami here. Come and pick it up. Oh my gosh. I have nothing else to say, but oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. So I went today and it was raining hard here in California. I didn't even bother to care, but I drove all the way to Louis Vuitton and picked this beauty. I mean, I could not wait another day, but I needed to get this right away. So anyway, it comes with this exclusive bag. Oh guys, the bag is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So if you would buy the Game On collection, you'll get this bag. So this is exclusively for the Game On collections by Nicolas Ghesquière. It's beautiful. I mean, just with this shopping bag itself, I'm already sold. Oh my gosh, it's so, look at the side. Look at the side, guys. Look at that side right there. The multicolor. Oh, wow. It's absolutely beautiful. And also, wow, look at that with the hearts, with those Louis Vuitton flowers. It is so beautiful. So this one here, we have a heart, as you can see. And the corner is the multicolor. And then we have a clubs right there in front. And also the handle also comes with this black and red handles. This is made up of fabric though. Really nice. So I am so excited to show you what I got. So let's go ahead and okay, here it is. Just put this one aside. Here's the box. Here's the packaging. So, as usual, it came with this orange box from Louis Vuitton. And it has this beautiful, so this is how it looks. This is the packaging for the Game On collection. So, it has this. The ribbon is really nice, and this one, the ribbon is really soft, and it has Louis Vuitton here, and also it comes with this card. It says Louis Vuitton with a heart, with a multicolor, and also let me just see this envelope that came with it, where you could actually write a message. Oh yeah, I was expecting that there is a multicolor print in this, but there is none. Okay, so this is the packaging. It is really nice. Really nice. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let me open the, okay. I mean, oh my gosh. Here it is. Oh, they put this one inside. I don't know why they put this one inside. It has an extra card in the ribbon. The ribbon seems to be short. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's here finally. here is presenting my Kirigami set from the Game On collection by Nicolas Ghesquière. Oh my goodness, look at the pop of colors. It's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. Wow. This, oh my gosh. Wow. The colors are so vivid, guys. The pop of colors are so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Wow. The white, the blue, we have orange, we have pink. They really stood out. But then the LV here, so you can see the LV logo is a little bit muted, but that's all right. Wow. Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. Wow. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's here. Finally. Oh my gosh. This is my number one pick among the collection. Nothing else. So when this one came live for when they launched this one last Friday, I mean, I didn't look for anything else. My eye is on this, waiting to be restocked, waiting to be put in the cart. I didn't look for anything else, but unfortunately, its call for availability, it was not available at all until until this morning. I wasn't able to see that this became available online. But anyway, the Kirigami set came in 3 different pouches. So this is the large one. So let me open this. We have the second pouch in here. Oh, wow. The second pouch is the white. Oh my gosh. This is a medium size. Oh my gosh. The color. I mean, okay, the color for this one is a little bit of like an off-white, not like really, really white. So it is a little bit of like an off-white. Really nice. Wow. The beautiful pop of color is amazing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Beautiful. So this one has a stud closure. So you could just, yeah. It has a stud closure. You can open it like this and close it like this. And then we have the third one is the smallest pouch. This is the smallest pouch. And also this is in the black multicolor. It has a stud closure as well. Wow. Oh, this is the product information. So those of you who are interested to get this piece, so this is the product information. And it's M80284. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's amazing. Okay. So all of these pieces are actually made in France, of course. And the interior, my most favorite feature of this bag is the interior. I mean, I am so happy that finally they came out with this black interior. Look at that. The interior is amazing. Wow, I love it. Because, you know, guys, I've always been so conscious when it comes to, like, for example, this one. If this has a bright interior, I always have, like, I don't know if I'm always been careful with my stuff, but I don't know. I don't even know. I always think that it might get dirty. I might not be able to clean it or something like that because, you know, I spend a substantial amount of money for this and, you know, I always take care of it. That's just me, you know. So, wow, the interior is black. All 3 has black interior. The reason also why I wanted to get this, it's because I wanted to get to see the black and the white multicolor. That's the only reason. And also I know I could use this one in any of my purses. This is such a versatile piece. Such a versatile piece where you could, this one you could use, you could put your cards, you could put anything in here, you could put anything, whatever you want. You can use this one as a cosmetic pouch. But even that, having said that this one has a black interior, I still can't get over it, how beautiful it is, guys. It's amazing. I didn't think twice on getting this. I knew exactly what I wanted. I knew that this is going to be awesome. This is going to be the piece that I wanted to be in my collection from the game on. Beautiful. So anyway, even that, the interior is dark, I always wanted to use an organizer. Always. So I have here my Kirigami organizer, because I'm so excited. I don't know why. I mean, I knew that I'm gonna get this. I mean, I am gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep trying on getting this. And I didn't know that it's very limited. I didn't know that it's difficult to get this. And I already bought this insert. And I am so happy that I was able to get this Kirigami. And let me try to put this organizer inside. This is actually a very thin organizer. Yeah, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly inside the Kirigami set. Let me try on the second one. Oh, perfect. Just probably gonna have to arrange it. This is how it would look. This is the second one. And then the third one, this is the only color that's available. It's in green. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. I love the green color in this. Wow, it's so beautiful. So these are the 3 lovely Kirigami Pochettes. They are awesome. They are gorgeous. The pop of color is everything, guys. I mean, wow. Very well done. Very, very well done. Now I am going to take a look at the stitching, because I am very meticulous when it comes to that. So let's start with, wow. The stitching is actually clean, and yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. So here also in the stud closure, it says Louis Vuitton, and also, okay, it's so beautiful. And also the second one here, the stitching for this is actually in white, and for this one is black, and this one is white. And yeah, even though, let me see, yeah, even though it's white here, but it's showing on the other side a dark color. Wow. At a quick glance, seems like the stitching is perfect. And now moving on to the large pochette. See? Wow, it's awesome. It's beautiful, beautifully done. And also it seems like, let me see the glazing. It seems like the glazing for this is very well. Yeah, it's very well done though. I mean, the glazing is actually thin, and it's really smooth. It's like you could barely see, and you could actually barely feel that there's a glazing in here. Wow. And it looks like the canvas is very flexible. I wouldn't say it's very thin, but I don't know, it's a little bit, I mean, it's flexible, but it has a luxurious feel though. Yeah, and then the inside is very, very smooth. Very, very smooth inside. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I called her so many times just to make it sure that she got this for me, because I just don't really want to drive there and end up like, okay, it's actually not there. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's just worth my time driving, even if it's raining, even if there's a lot of people. There were so many people at the store, guys. The line is very long, but when you're picking up, you don't need to be in line. They just let you in. And wow, 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 wow. So I would highly recommend this Kirigami set. You'll get 3 beautiful pouches in black and in white. So these are the 2 colors that from the game on collection. The multicolor in black and the multicolor in white. Absolutely amazing. The quality is so lovely. It's so nice. Wow. Look at those 3 beautiful pochettes. Wow. I would definitely gonna recommend this, guys. And wow, it's worth it. I would say it's worth it. The quality of this, the material that they use, the quality seems like pretty good. I'm probably gonna have to, you know, I mean, just that is just my impression, my first impression on this item, on this piece. It's just, I love it. I love it. I don't know. I mean, I love it. Really, I have. It's amazing. The pop of colors, it's so beautiful. Wow, especially the white. Look at that. Put it together just like that. And also what makes it so special, it comes with this beautiful bag. Just love this bag so much. I love it. So this is the print for the bag, and this is for, yeah, the white ones. So this is the bag, the multicolor, and let me just put this one. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Wow. So if you can get a hands on these, I would definitely, you're not gonna regret it. Definitely, it's a must in your collection, guys. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.